Welcome to the tutorial on logging into and navigating EDS. Please keep in mind that the CBCA's electronic docketing system, also known as EDS, performs best when you access it using the following web browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Microsoft Edge. We recommend that you do not use Internet Explorer. So, let's get started. To log into EDS, type the URL https://www.eds.cbca.gov in the address bar of your web browser. The EDS sign-in page appears. In the email field, type your registered email address. In the password field, type your registered password. Then, click the Sign Me In button. You are logged into EDS, and its dashboard appears. The EDS dashboard has a navigation pane which consists of 3 tabs: Active Cases, File New Case, and Grantee or Third-Party Request. You can toggle the navigation pane on and off by clicking the Navigation Pane button. Note that when the navigation pane is toggled off, you can see all of the columns on the dashboard, including the case status column. Click the Navigation Pane button again and the navigation pane reappears. Now, let's review the 3 tabs on the navigation pane. The first tab is Active Cases. When you first log into EDS, Active Cases are selected by default. When Active Cases are selected, you will see the cases that are pending for you and your representatives. You can click the Show Hide Columns button to choose which columns you would like to see when viewing your dashboard, and you can use the Show Entries field to adjust the number of cases you see on the screen at once. The Filter Records search field allows you to perform a keyword search by typing in relevant information found on the dashboard, including the CBCA number or agency. To view the case docket sheet for a specific case, click the CBCA number link. As you navigate the site, you will note that EDS tells you where you have navigated. In this case, we are in the case docket sheet component of the dashboard. Note that the navigation pane now has 3 new options: Submit New Documents, Parties, and Email Preferences. You can get back to Active Cases in one of 2 ways: by clicking on the dashboard breadcrumb or by clicking Active Cases in the navigation pane. The dashboard reappears, listing your active cases. Now, let's discuss the second tab, File New Case. You would select File New Case if you wish to file a new case. When File New Case is selected, you will receive a warning message asking if you want to proceed to file a new case. If you click the Yes button, the new information form appears and you will need to complete the form to file a new case. Since we don't want to file a new case now, we'll click the No button. The dashboard reappears. Now let's select Grantee or Third-Party Request from the navigation pane. You would select the Grantee or Third-Party Request if you wish to join as a grantee or third party in a pending case. To submit a grantee or third-party request in a case, you must know the CBCA number assigned to the case by the CBCA and enter it into the search field at the top of the screen. Since we don't want to submit a grantee or third-party request at this time, we'll go back to the dashboard by clicking Active Cases. User guides and other resources have been created to assist you with using EDS. You can access these resources from the EDS Help menu by clicking the down arrow and selecting the desired option: User Guides, Instructions, or Contact Us. When you're finished working in EDS, you need to log out of the system by clicking the down arrow next to your name and selecting Log Out. This concludes the tutorial logging into and navigating EDS. To learn more about using EDS, check out the other tutorials in the EDS section of our website at https://www.eds.cbca.gov.